Tege kurega tindi nigo kiarurwe go chia sonde bwensio yorobereti go chiguturubania go sekoibera Matemwa yo mwako yoiga yani gagoja magiga yumugwasiri bwegisemie sekiri Machogu goteabuna emeroberi yonsi nigo yabekirwe bene kwene kwena Matemwa igujero korekana buna erobereri gukwana nigateabuna nonye no borendi nigo bwati ngigwe obubo chikwene kwena Matemwa igo korekana ale buna erobereri.
I want to assure Kenyans that as a Minister of Education and the Kenya National Examination Council, we have come up with all the national arrangements for the 3 exams that we are undertaking this year, which are starting with the effect of 21st of November this year. The security arrangements and manning of exams, we have all those arrangements in place. And there is something you might have seen about 2 weeks ago, where 3 guys, one of them being a university student, were actually caught red-handed sharing bogus examination papers. I want to assure Kenyans that all the papers that our students and the pupils are going to do in this year's exam are intact. Nothing has ever been interfered with.